Another exciting Luxvibe PC build. An all-white showcase designed for gamers and creators. Powered by the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. And paired with the Zotac RTX 5080. This system is built to crush 4K gaming, streaming, and creative workloads. The GPU is vertically mounted, making it the centerpiece of the build, perfectly displayed through the panoramic glass case. Cooling is handled by the Thermalright Wonder Vision 360 ARGB liquid cooler with an LCD screen and triple ARGB fans. Inside, you'll find 64 GB DDR5 memory, ortai of ultra-fast NVMe storage, and a 1200W Gold PSU for stable future-proof power. Finishing it off, Hydrus Premium White Sleeved. 16-pin and 24-pin cables, delivering flawless cable management and a clean showcase look.